I'm George, the Hat Says Captain. Welcome aboard. Let's cook. This was my mother's favorite, liver and onions. Simple and easy. In this recipe, I'll add toasted bread slices to the pan to pick up that lovely onion flavor. The hero ingredient is of course liver, beef or pork depending on availability and your taste. I find calf's liver a little bit too soft when cooked, but tastes vary. These pieces were a bit too big to flip over easily, so I cut them in half. My mother just washed the liver in water. I've read about soaking it in milk and will do that here. It removes a bit of the bitterness. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. While that's soaking, let's cut the onion into slices. I prefer plain white or yellow cooking onions. Red onions are too sweet for me in this recipe. Drain the milk, but let it stay wet enough for the flour coating to stick. The liver will be coated in flour with added garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. Salt makes the liver hard while frying, so I add salt just before eating. Make sure it's covered well on all sides. I like my liver and onions just with bread. It'll get toasted in the pan. Here, I'm using French bread. Butter it well. I'm going to use a rather large frying pan so there's room for the liver and the bread. A bit of oil. Make the pieces fit. You see why I cut them in half. Don't overcook. A minute on the first side is good. Flip the pieces. And cover with the onion. This lets the raw onion flavor soak into the liver while it is hot. Flip over again and let the onions get under the liver so they fry as well. Only for a minute to avoid overcooking the liver. Flip again and put the bread butter side down under the liver so it gets toasted and soaks up that onion flavor. Flip the bread, cover with liver again and the onions, and toast the other side for a minute. Serve. Salt to taste. Enjoy!